Installing an infrared panel. Our range of infrared panels include radiators, mirrors, and towel rails. After you have removed the fixing bracket, use it as a template to drill holes on the wall. Now screw the bracket to the wall. You are able to have the panel's portrait or landscape on your wall or ceiling, depending on your preference. Select either wiring block or 3-pin UK plug. Now slot the panel onto the fixing bracket. You will need to slide the panel into place on the bracket. You are now ready to turn on the panel. Each panel has its own battery-powered thermostat, meaning each panel can be controlled individually throughout the home. For more information, contact one of the team on 019 056 10200.